Hello everybody, and today we will be learning another cool animation trick in PowerPoint which looks like this. On a click I have this slide in and it says let's work together, and on the second click I have this slide in and this says welcome to Times. Okay, so now how to create this from scratch? I'll show you how from a blank slide. So first of all you need to get this image. And from where did I get the image? Well, you can choose any image, but I got the image from Insert tab, then Pictures, and then just go to Stock Images, and then here you search BUSINESS business, and here you get the image. You just insert it, but I've already inserted it. Okay, and now let me largen its size a bit so that it fits my background. Okay, now what I need to get first? I need to get this shape here. So what this shape is actually, this is a parallelogram, and from where do I get a parallelogram? I will actually go to Insert, then Shapes, and then go to Basic Shapes, and then Parallelogram, and then just draw a parallelogram according to my wish, and then go to right click, then Format Shape, close the line for a while, and then go to Solid Fill, and then choose red as the color, increase the transparency, and I will like 52%, and then close the fill, open the line, go to solid line, then color will be white, and then the width will be around maybe 6.5. yeah, 6 point at least 6 points look good. Okay, and now let me bigger its size a bit and place it just above. I will use my arrow keys for the convenience. You may use them also, and then right click onto the shape and you get the text icon, and then just write the placeholder text, which I will write a sample text, and then change the font to TWCNMT, and here it has changed. And now I will double click again, increase the font size, and that's over. Now I will click on this, and to add the animations I will go to the Animations tab and then choose Wipe Animation, and that wipe needs to occur from top. Okay, now wipe can be good, but at times you may also like fly in, and that too from the top. And now it's as per your wish. I have given you two choices, wipe or fly in. You may choose anyone. Now let me open the animation pane so that you can see what's going on here. I have one parallelogram fly in from top on a click, and that too for 0.5 seconds. Okay, now I need to get the second shape, which is also a parallelogram. So let me go to Insert again, and then go to Shapes again, then Basic Shapes, Parallelogram. The parallelogram is right over here, so let me draw it over, and here you should see that this edge of the parallelogram is touching the edge of the picture, so that it gives a good look. And then what will I do is I will just click on it and then Format Shape, close the line for a while, and go to Color. What color do I choose? Maybe this blue color will be good, or a light blue color with some transparency will be a lot better. And then go to line again, and then choose white solid, and then again go here, and then 6 points is fine. Okay, and then adjust its size, and then double click over it, and then go to sample text, double click again, then go to font, and then change it to 2CNMT, and then hit enter. So now it has changed, and then I will increase the size a bit. Oh, that's a lot. Now I will click on the parallelogram, go to Animations, and then I will choose Wipe, and that too from right. and this, and then I will again go to animations pane from here. If you are working on older versions, you may go it from here like this, and this is occurring on click, and we need to change it to with previous or after previous. So I will choose after previous, and you can also remain it on click, but I will choose after previous for your demonstration. And now let me go to slideshow, and let's see what we have done till now. Sample text, sample. Okay, so we can see that this occurs a lot fast, so I will need to add a bit of delay. So to add the delay, I will go to the animation step, then try timings group, and then increase the delay. And here you can see that this is going far away from it, and increase the delay to about 0.75.